7 mesmerizing waterfalls in the world. Number 7. Ban Gioc, Detian Falls, Vietnam. The Ban Gioc Detian Falls are the fourth largest waterfall in the world and the only one with a home in both China and Vietnam. Although it often has 2 waterfalls, when it rains, it just has one. One of the best sights to visit in Vietnam, its deafening sound of rocks hitting one another can be heard from a great distance away. Number 6. Gullfoss, Iceland. The Gullfoss, a waterfall that was formerly privately held and is now state-owned, is one of the most well-liked tourist destinations in Iceland. One of the best waterfalls in all of Europe, this one is a part of the Golden Circle, a well-liked day trip destination for travelers. Since there is little effort involved in getting there, practically every visitor to Iceland has the opportunity to witness the waterfall. Number 5. Iguazu Falls, Argentina. The Iguazu Falls, which are waterfalls on the Iguazu River, are situated on the boundary between Argentina and Brazil. It's composed of 275 separate cascades, which make it the largest broken waterfall in the world. One of the nicest things to do in Argentina is to explore this area. Number 4. Yosemite Falls, USA. One of the best waterfalls in the world to visit is Yosemite Falls. In addition to admiring this beauty, which plunges a staggering 2,400 feet, one may climb around it. In addition to having an abundance of animals, including bears that are skilled at breaking into automobiles if you dare leave any leftovers, Yosemite also offers a number of incredible hiking options. Number 3. Niagara Falls, USA. There isn't much water flowing over the majority of the tallest falls in the world. The beauty of Niagara Falls is due to its height and volume combined. An internationally renowned waterfall that is a prominent tourist destination in both the United States and Canada, as well as a significant hydroelectric power source. Number 2. Victoria Falls, Zambia. One of the 7 natural wonders of the world is Victoria Falls. Given its height and width, it is the biggest waterfall in the world and one of the most stunning locations for a nature lover to explore. A portion of Victoria Falls can be seen in the UNESCO World Heritage Site known as Mosioetunya National Park. Number 1. Angel Falls, Venezuela. It is the highest waterfall in the world with a height of 3,212 feet. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a piece of the Canaima National Park. Additionally, the falls are best viewed from the air due of the lush vegetation that surrounds them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.